जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Honorable Chairman of the Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Honorable Chief Minister, esteemed members of the Council of Ministers, respected members of the Legislative Council and Legislative Assembly, and the hard-working and peace-loving people of Telangana. It is with immense pride and unwavering commitment that I stand before this esteemed House today. This budget session is a moment of reflection, reaffirmation, and a commitment to ensuring that every citizen of Telangana has the opportunity to dream, to grow, and to prosper. Telangana is not just progressing, it is transforming. The vision of an inclusive, self-reliant, and empowered Telangana is being realized with bold reforms, people-centric governance, and decisive leadership. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. These words of Mahatma Gandhi remind us that governance is not just about administration. It is about serving the people, transforming lives, and building a future of dignity, prosperity, and justice for all. My government has set an unwavering course of development, ensuring that the voices of farmers, youth, women, workers, and entrepreneurs shape policies and decisions. I am confident that in this budget session too, my government will strengthen the foundations for sustained growth, the pillars of social justice, and accelerate Telangana's journey towards a future of limitless possibilities. My government envisions a Telangana where inclusive development, innovation, and sustainable progress go hand in hand by embracing technological advancements, strengthening social welfare, and fostering economic opportunities for all. We are committed to shaping a future that is both prosperous and equitable for every citizen of our state. As we move forward, our vision for Telangana is one of shared growth, technological advancement, and equitable progress. A model state that stands as a beacon of development and prosperity. Honoring Telangana's identity and legacy. Telangana is not just a geographical entity. It is an emotion, a symbol of struggle, resilience, and unyielding determination. Our culture is deeply rooted in history and tradition, but our vision is forward-looking and progressive. Recognizing the contributions of Telangana's greatest voices, the government is planning to honor literary and cultural legends like Gaddar, Guda, Anjaya, Bandi, Yadadgiri, and others. This is not just a recognition of their talent, it is a tribute to the voices that echoed the aspirations of our people. The adoption of Jaya Jaya He Telangana Janani Jaya Ketanam as the state song is a celebration of the past. Song is a celebration of the past, present, and future of Telangana. The Telangana song not only honors the struggles and sacrifices that led to the formation of the state, but also instills hope and inspiration for the future. The song envisions a Telangana